你好, welcome to MandarinKit. My name is Wenli. In this video, you are going to learn how to bargain down the price in Chinese while shopping in China or Chinatown. Sentence number 1. 太贵了，便宜一点儿。太贵了，便宜一点儿。This is definitely the most common sentence used by all beginner Chinese learners during their shopping trip. 太了 means extremely. 贵 means expensive. 便宜 cheap. 一点儿 a little. 太贵了，便宜一点儿。It's too expensive. Go cheaper. Sentence number 2. 这个打折吗？打几折？这个打折吗？打几折？这 or 这个 means this. 打折 means to have discount, whereas 吗 is the question particle normally put at the end of a sentence to indicate a yes or no question. 几 means how many. 打几折 means to have how much discount. So, 这个打折吗？打几折 means, is this on discount? By how much? A special note here. In Chinese, the way to state discount is quite the opposite of English. In Chinese, one states the percentage one should pay instead of how much is taken off from the original price. Let's take the example of 七折. 七折 means after discount, one needs to pay only 7/10 of the original price, and that is equivalent to 30% off in English. Sentence number 3. 这是最低价格了吗？这是最低价格了吗？这 again means this. 是 is the verb to be. 最 the most. 低 low. 价格 price. 吗 yes or no. 这是最低价格了吗？ Is this the lowest price? Sentence number 4. 我最多出这个价。我最多出这个价。我 means I. 最 again it means the most. 多 a lot or many. So 最多 means the most or the maximum. 出 to exit, but in this case it means to come out with. 这个 this 价 price. 我最多出这个价。I would at most offer this price. When you're saying that, the seller knows that it's either this price or there's no deal, because that's the maximum that you're willing to pay. Sentence number 5. 别家的价格低得多。别家的价格低得多。别 means other. 家 normally means family or home, but in this sentence, it's a measure word for business or shops. 价格 again, it means price. 低 low, 多 a lot. 低得多 low or lower by a lot, and that means a lot lower. 别家的价格低得多。The prices in other shops are much lower. Information is power. If you've done your price survey, you probably want to let the seller know in order to pressure him or her to lower down the price. Sentence number 6. 那不着急，我再看看吧。那不着急，我再看看吧。那 means that or in that case. 不 no. 着急 means to get worried or to be anxious. So 不着急 means no worry or no rush. 我 I 再 means again and or then. 看看 means to look around. But in this sentence, it's almost like the English saying of I'll see, we'll see. So 那不着急，我再看看吧 means no worry then. I'll think about it. So when all other efforts don't work, this is probably the best way to go. I'm pretty sure the seller will get anxious and try to lower down the price further in order to make you stay. Alright, now that you have learned the 6 sentences to haggle in Chinese, I wish you a happy shopping trip. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to MandarinKit channel for more videos in the future. Bye for now.